Ngayon, ano yung pinakamalaking rebulto na yun sa mundo? Yung pera. Pera maging Diyos na yun. Lahat ng yung ginagawa ng tao para sa pera. Kahit ano gagawin, masama, hindi masama, gagawin nila lahat para sa pera. So yung pera na maging Diyos na tao na yun. Yan pinakamalaking rebulto sa mundo na yun, yung pera. Samba sa pera. Kahit papatayin ng tao, kahit gawin ng masama, kahit benta ng anong bagay. Dahil sa yung Diyos na ng mga tao na yun ng maging pera. Yun ang pinakamalaking ng rebulto. Yung maliban, yung ginawa nilang Diyos maliban kay Allah, maliban sa yung tunay ng Diyos Allah. Yung mga mayaman, kung mayaman, may pera na marami, ano yung maging Diyos na yun nila? Maging sikat. Gusto nila maging sikat. Yan ng isang Diyos na, ito ng Diyos na mga mayaman. Mahirap, walang kailangan ng sikat. Gusto nila pera lang para may, yun ng priority nila na para mayaman na, yun na gusto nila. So yung dalawang bagay na yun sa mundo, pera at maging sikat. Yan ng takbo na takbo lahat ng tao sa mundo. Hindi yung tunay na pananampalataya. Saan tayo natakbo? Takbo tayo kay Diyos. I want to know my God. That's my goal. Not the money and not to become popular. That's not my goal. My goal is my God who made me this life, who gave me this life. Who made me this life. That is my purpose of life. What I can do that the God can be pleased with me, can be happy with me. And people who are running after the money and popularity, to become famous, their life is very terrible. Their heart become die. The heart is dead and they don't feel happiness in their heart even though they have lots of money and they have so much popularity in the world. Number one example are the actors and actresses, the celebrities. We think that they are very happy and they have a happy life and they have lots of money and they are well known in the people, but they are dead inside. And they are the one mostly they kill their own selves with their own hands because they're internally they are dead. So don't run after the materialism. Don't run after the money. Don't run after to become popular. Forget about it. Run after your God. Run after our Creator. That what I can do in my life, what I can do today, that He can be happy with me, and that tomorrow I can get reward for this, for Him. Try to always think about Him, about God, and not to think about material things. You can see in the world, the people who run after the money let them run too much. They will run and run. They will chase the money hatta zurtumul maqabir until they will reach to the graves. But those who are not running after the money, they are running after God, they will no problem for them. The money will chase them. You can see in your life. The people who chase God, the money chase them. The people who chase money, money will run up and you will always follow that money until you die, until you reach to your graves.